Welcome to Gulfport. Today we'll give you a tour of this great place on the water here in South St. Petersburg, home of lots of bars, restaurants, and shopping. The place is happening on a Sunday afternoon here at O'Malley's. They don't even have a game on. Now we're passing Salty's. Let's step up and go back in time. Now we're at Salty's, an authentic type bar here. You can actually feel the salty air here, probably why they call it Salty's. Lots of TVs, drink specials. But I like the concrete floors, vintage type, Chrysler type bar. As we continue walking down the main drag of Shore Boulevard. God, could they be any more pretty? We're going to pass some very classic and historical buildings here in Gulfport. A lot of you like Caddy's. They have a really nice one in Treasure Island. That's Caddy's rooftop here. Now we'll pass it. Caddy's also has a good Reuben sandwich here. But look at those pizzas, the quesadillas, the drinks, the classic French Parisian chairs. Oh, this place is just awesome. Now you're looking at the Gulfport Casino. They have a lot of public activities here, receptions, clubs. Like most of the Caddies, quite often they have live music. I hear it. Oh, there it is. I wonder if we can get a closer look at the Gulfport Casino. I love this old sign. A lot of the windows are slightly curved. Some of the activities you see, ballroom dancing, lessons every Tuesday with Carol Baker. I wonder if we can peek into it. Yeah, I see the janitor. A lot of festivities probably from last night's Red Ball. A wide view of the pier. Another good looking view of the main drag here in Gulfport. Very nice promenade here at the casino. Great looking views of the water. Here's a nice little beach here in Gulfport. Place to watch volleyball and relax after a tough day. Across the street, cute little Tiki Bar. This place smells delicious. I can smell all different types of fried fish, French fries, onion rings, the works. The picture of beer I'm very jealous of. Here we are at the Neptune Grill. They have indoor dining too. Take a peek. And this place is a nice hangout for locals. They have a lot of seafood and Greek cuisine.
That's on the agenda. I want to find out about the gazebo.
Oh, this is called the Golden Dinosaur. It's a vegan deli. This place is so much fun. See a lot of lively people here. They have their own little bazaar. Full Moon Oracle, $20 for reading. Serendipity, unexpected adventures. Let's walk down this mysterious stretch of the festival. And get more fragrances. Dogs are everywhere. Hey, due to the price of real estate, most of the restaurants are on the waterfront, but there are a lot of really nice decoration, boutiques for home decor, clothing, and gifts along the stretch. Here's the Bayside Décor more. Love the smell here. A lot of vintage things. Love that pastel painting. I hear some birds chirping. Makes the dining experience here all the better. Another place for clothing, floppy hat. Oh, look at this beautiful alley here at Tangelo's. A great place for brunch and lunch. The bargain. And this is one of the coolest stores in all of Gulfport. You see the terrazzo floor, different types of souvenirs, artwork, t-shirts, you name it. Some relaxing music, treats from the past like taffy. Email is okay, but where can you else see cute little postcards like this when you come to Florida? Hear a lot of Spanish or salsa music in the backgrounds. Look at the cane decorations. I see a lot of cheesy tropical shirts. A lot of refrigerator magnets. Mermaids are always popular here in Gulfport. And Pia is another one of my personal favorites here in Gulfport. I've had several happy occasions, like anniversaries, Valentine's Days. It's a place you kind of need reservations for too. But there is this classic mix of old and new. Food, and definitely not an Olive Garden type restaurant. Some very interesting gardens of the people who live in this artistic community. Cute fountain. And now you're looking at the famous Peninsula Inn and Spa. I love the historical lemon colors. Look at that roof, the shingles. This place is going to be fun. You can feel the history as you walk up the steps. They have outdoor dining here too, kinder, gentler. Imagine a place for tea and cold iced tea, as well as drinks. Oh, I just love the warm lobby here. Pup working. Artwork, fireplace. Very gracious. Hi, how are you? Some meeting rooms, small receptions, some outdoor dining. And now you're looking at Isabelle's dining room here. There's both indoor and outdoor dining. On a beautiful day today, I'd go outdoors. Chocolate shop. Great place for coffee, chocolates, and treats. I love the kiwi umbrellas. It's a fun place. Hey, I hope you enjoyed visiting Gulfport with me today. And remember to subscribe to the Tiny Island CPA channel.